Let's talk about the course structure of FRM. The US FRM course consists of 2 levels, with level 1 focusing on the foundation of risk management and level 2 covering advanced topics such as market risk, credit risk, and operational risk. Each level has recommended study time of around 200 to 300 hours. So it's important to set aside enough time to prepare for the exams. Moreover, you must pass both exams within 4 years of Part 1 registration and possess a minimum of 2 years of experience in risk management or a related domain within 5 years of qualifying Part 2. Don't worry about the experience part. Once you qualify both the exams, you can apply in many companies and banks who look for FRM Part 2 qualified candidates to work in their risk management department as full-time employees, which will simultaneously be counted as work experience requirement.